Hello everyone, and welcome to Emaan's Digital Designs. Today, I'm excited to take you on a creative journey as I design a stunning 3D sliced logo for BT groups using Canva. As a graphic designer, my passion is to bring ideas to life through innovative and eye-catching designs. Let's dive into the process of creating this unique logo, step by step. To start, I begin with a basic concept. For the BT Group's logo, I wanted a modern and dynamic sliced effect to represent their forward-thinking approach. Now, I align the line with balance over B and T like that. Once you've created your slashed line through your text, you're then going to add this rectangular shape. Using Canva's versatile tools, I craft the initial shape and layout. Precision is key here, and I make sure every element is perfectly aligned to achieve a balanced composition. Every detail in the logo is intentional. The clean lines and modern aesthetic symbolize innovation and professionalism, which are core values of BT Group. If you're looking to elevate your brand with a custom logo that truly stands out, let's collaborate. My designs are tailored to meet your specific business needs, ensuring a unique and memorable brand identity. The sliced effect is achieved through meticulous layering and shading. This technique gives the logo depth and makes it visually striking, ensuring it stands out in any context. Once the design is finalized, I showcase the logo in different mock-ups. This helps visualize how it will look on. At Emaan's Digital Designs, I offer a wide range of services from logo design to complete branding solutions. With a focus on creativity and client satisfaction, I'm here to help your business shine. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Emaan's Digital Designs for more insights and design tips. Contact me today to discuss how we can bring your brand's vision to life. Stay inspired, keep designing, and see you in the next video. This is a final look. Rate this design 10 out of